Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your phone or speaker is ready. Open the Google app and grant microphone and location access so voice features work. Once done, go to Settings right arrow Google Assistant right arrow Voice Match to teach it your voice. This improves recognition and personal results. Make sure your language is correct and pick an assistant voice you understand. Doing these steps now prevents repeated errors later and lets you move straight into real commands, rather than troubleshooting basic permissions. Once voice match is set, teach the assistant by speaking short phrases clearly. Repeat 3 to 5 times for consistency. Then connect services. Link your calendar, music apps, and smart home devices so the assistant can act on them. Make custom routines for morning or commute tasks and create shortcuts for frequent commands to save time. Test a range of commands, set a timer, call a contact, start navigation, and play music. To confirm each linked service responds, and you understand how to finish, refine privacy and behavior. Open activity controls and toggle voice and audio recording if you want history saved or cleared. Then adjust detection sensitivity and customize shortcut phrases so commands are natural. Make device-specific hot words for shared homes. If the assistant mishears or won't respond, try retraining voice match, rebooting the device, and re-granting microphone permission. This fixes most issues. If that fails, unlink and relink the affected service. That step clears stale authentication and usually restores full voice control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.